Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you enjoy.
Girl, what's up with those yawns? You and Adrien have done it 3 times now. I'm just tired. I guess he is too. Well, people who yawn at the same time typically have a strong emotional connection, just FYI. Alya, that's ridiculous! Mari, it's true. You guys are made for each other. Alya, shh!
Ah, Ladybug. So glad that you could finally join me.
Hey, chat.
Oh, my lady! We yawned at the same time! You know, when people yawn at the same time, it means that they have a strong emotional connection. I think we're made for each other.
Oh my god.
I actually can't stop yawning right now because of doing the fake yawning. And now it's real yawning and I don't know what to do, guys! Ah!